Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I go to. Where is your sofa in your living room?
My sofa is in front of the TV. Where is your sofa?
My sofa is next to the window. Do you have a desk in your room?
Yes, I do. My desk is next to my bed. Where is your desk?
My desk is big than the window and the closet. I hang my laptop on a desk.
Nice. Where is your bed?
My bag is beside the door. Where is your bag?
My bed is under the picture on the wall.
Do you have a computer in your house?
Yes, the computer is on the desk on my bedroom. And you?
I have a computer in my living room. Ixner or Golcha.
Great. Is your TV in the living room too?
Yes, it is. It's front of and sofa.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
Okay, see you later.
Bye. Take care.